In the latest move of his ongoing trade war, US President Donald Trump has pulled the trigger on a fresh wave of tariffs. On July 31st, he signed a new executive order reimposing tariffs on 69 trading partners. This includes 68 countries and the European Union. The rates are anywhere from 10% all the way up to a 41%. But instead of kicking in on August 1, as expected, these tariffs will now take effect on August 7th. Trump calls this day as Liberation Day for American trade. So who has been hit the hardest? Well, at the very top is Syria. Syria faces the highest tariff of 41% despite trading just $11 million worth of goods with the US last year. Next in line is Laos and Myanmar, each slapped with a 40% rate of tariff. Trump cited unfair practices and said that the hike is non-negotiable. Then comes Switzerland, which was hit by 39% tariff, mostly for not securing a trade deal in time. Then in line is Iraq and Serbia, each getting a 35% blow. 4 African nations, Algeria, Libya, Bosnia and South Africa, all face a 30% tariff. Then surprisingly, even India, which is called a friend by Trump, wasn't spared as it was slapped with 25% tariff plus more penalties threatened over its ties with Russia. Canada, Trump raised tariff on Canada to 35%, citing drug issues and political friction, but insiders say that it is retaliation for backing Palestine's statehood. Then comes Brazil. Trump had earlier signed an executive order imposing an additional 40% tariff on Brazil, and now he imposed further 10%, bringing the total tariff rate for the country to 50%. Trump defended it as a support for his ally, Bolsonaro. Overall, Trump's tariff move is bold, political, and already stirring backlash. Now the world watches to see how affected countries respond.